Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. We have a possible wave 2 top in. It's not high confidence though, it's a very sloppy chart. This price action, if you zoom out and look at it, it looks a bit bearish what's happening here, and I'm not, because the move down looks so impulsive. Yeah, the move up looks so corrective, so it suggests another 5-wave move to the downside. You know, as long as it's holding 4.3 cents, I would still sort of consider this as wave 2 below, I mean already below 4.9 cents. It's already getting questionable. The problem is that the wave A was so long that unless the B wave is going to get an extension and goes crazy, which it can, you know, it can, for example, go to 8.9 cents, the B wave, no problem, which I would prefer, because if it does that, then the C wave would not really be at risk of breaking below the 78.6 retracement, because the 78.6 retracement is typically what I don't want to see broken. The only reason why I've got the 88.7 retracement on this chart, basically the last key fib level on the ladder, is because the A wave is so long. So what I would actually prefer, but this is not necessarily what has to play out, is that this was an A wave of B, this is the B wave of B, and we're going to go higher in a C wave of B, because a B wave is a 3-wave move. A, B, C. I would prefer that, and then we go down in 5 waves. But the problem, if we follow the orange count now, which currently looks likely, but it's also not super high confidence, then it's going to risk, it's risking to run out of space basically. Now, it really would need a break below this 6.2 cent level here, this swing low of the 12th of April, to confirm a third wave has started. Now it's only a potential, it looks like a top of sorts here, but a break below 6.2 cents would confirm that. And then we have a good chance that we're coming down here in an impulse, or even an ending diagonal in a C wave. It's going to be very interesting, but it's the chart that I'm short-term at the moment bearish on actually, because I think this has a good chance to make to come down a bit lower. Now, it can change quickly, and I'm actually quite sure that this count will morph a little bit, yeah, and that it will shift and change. But of all the setups we have, this here is probably the one that I'd be least bullish on, or let's say even bearish on, because even though this would be within a larger bullish pattern, basically a 1-2 setup as you can see it on the chart, I still would like to see here the C wave down, because the problem is that this move down came so low, it was so strong already. Now again, the alternative is that wave 2 is already in. Yeah, if my assumption is wrong here, wave 2 is already in. But honestly, this looks very, very corrective. Yeah. Very, very corrective. So unless it rallies really impulsively above 8.9 cents, I can't really say with high confidence that a low has been made here. And yeah, but so basically that is, you always need to ask yourself, you know, what is if the primary expectation is wrong? Well, the alternative is that the low is already in this wave 2, and we could be rallying in a third wave. But then I've got other charts that give me more confidence, because this looks very choppy. Yeah. But we'll take it level by level, but there's certainly potential that this wave 2 high is now in. Again, key resistance goes all the way up to 8.9 cents. Structural support here, micro support is at 6.2. If we lose that, it would first of all confirm for me that the third wave is in the making. Then we've got next support at around 5.7 cents, and then 5.4, and then 4.9. And at the latest here, ideally, yeah, to really give us a highly likely third wave, we should ideally not drop below 4.9 cents, because with a third wave then we could push higher again. Alright, that's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.